Hello dear students, today we will learn equisetum. It has a very good actions on bladder and it is useful for cystitis, enuresis and dysuria. Now this remedy is sometimes successfully treated in cases which are not relieved by Cantharis. As you know that Cantharis is one of the most important remedy for urinary problems. So in equisetum there is burning in the urethra when urinating, but there are large quantities of urine discharge. Then with Cantharis, which has characterized very small amounts but often repeated, even but a few drops at a time. More urging when the bladder is nearly empty. That is most important in equisetum. Less urging and less dysuria when there is more urine. Severe dull pain and feeling of fullness in the bladder not relieved by urinating in equisetum. Frequent urging with severe pain at the close of urination. Same you will find in a sarsaparilla. Have also severe pain at the conclusion of urination. Pain from right kidney downwards and pain at meatus in sarsaparilla. In equisetum, urine flows only drop by drop. That is a differentiating symptom with other remedies. Retention and dysuria during pregnancy and after delivery. Incontinence of urine in children, one of the good remedy. Even in old people, and the dreams of nightmares when passing urine. Paralysis of the bladder in old women. Equisetum has also symptoms like Chimaphila. You know that Chimaphila is one of the most important remedy I am using in a urine infection where the urine is loaded with pus. So you should try Chimaphila mother tincture, frequent doses when the urine is loaded with pus. It acts much faster than any antibiotics. Take it from me. Treated many cases with Chimaphila with successfully, patients without antibiotics improve and the urine shows after Chimaphila nil in a pus cells. So sometimes shows excess of mucus in equisetum, and it is also very useful in enuresis, especially in children. If you look in the repertory, enuresis, one of the equisetum is a remedy. So deep pain in the right kidney referring to the lower abdomen and urge desire to micturate, and the right region is very painful. Right lumbar region is very painful. While Nux you should compare all the remedies. So Nux frequent calls, little and often. Renal colic extending to genitals, most important, extending to genitals with dribbling of urine. While Cantharis, intolerable urging. Patient cannot tolerate. They have to rush. Urine scalds him and is passed drop by drop and constant desire to urinate. So the most important is constant desire to urinate. Now equisetum is a very small remedy and almost specific for aneurysm and UTI, and sometimes we use this remedy in prostate enlargement also. Here modalities point of view, words at the close of urination, pressure, motion, sitting down, right side and touch. Better or emulating modalities afternoon and lying. There are certain rubrics commonly I use in my practice that I am showing and that you can learn from this rubrics equisetum. So It's a very small remedy, but very useful clinically also. Thank you very much.